Hello Internet, today we are going to install our PLM splash shield for the FK8 chassis. We have one for the F05, so we decided to make one for the FK8. Pretty simple, got vents to heat extract, and it's also 1mm thicker than the OEM one, so it's a bit more sturdy. Let's put it on! Dented it. Anyway, so this is how you install the splash shield. It's exactly the same as the F05, so 10mm. Go ahead and remove first bolt. Don't drop it. This is taking forever, huh?
What happened there?
I'm too impatient. There you go. And then just take a flathead screwdriver, and it actually has an arrow if you come closer and look. There is an arrow right here. Just turn it towards the arrow and it comes off. So, arrow pops off, arrow pops off, arrow pops off, and arrow pops off. And then it's as simple as scooting it back. Ta-da! That's it. So this is the comparison. This is ours, and this is the OEM one. Yours might look better or worse depending on
your spirit of driving.
Yeah, this one does time attack, so that's probably why it looks like this. But if you don't do time attack, this will also be beneficial. As you can see, for ours, you can see there's a lot of slots to get the hot air out. This is the inside comparison, and this is the outside. Let's put it on. Yep. The only two bolts you're reusing is the two front ones. Two front ones here are the bolts that you're reusing for OEM. To install this, you'll be using provided hardware. To continue the installation, you'll be needing the provided hardware. As you can see, we have new clamps. Oh, sorry, I'm recording.
Okay.
New clamps.
Okay.
And you'll remove the old ones. The old ones is very simple. You can use a flathead, or you can just use your hands. So to use your hands, you just grab it and pull back, and that's it.
Do it again.
So here's another one. You just grab it and pull back. Grab it. So you want to just grab it.
Yep.
And then pull back. This one's a little harder. Same with this one. Just grab it and pull back. That's it. All you simply do is put it in the exact same OEM location, and then that's it. So just go ahead and do it for all of them. One. And don't forget the two in the back, because I totally forgot about these.
I didn't even see that, bro. And last one.
Last one. Ta-da! That's it. And now you simply take your splash shield and you
mock them up.
You put it up. Make sure these tabs go inside these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. If you miss it, don't worry about it. It's not too difficult to line it up again. Ideally, you want to do it the first time, right? And once it's in, just grab bolt pin hardware and start putting it in. one here. There. Here.
Stupid. Who designed this, by the way, Johnson? Any chance you know anyone?
There's some guy named Mason. Who
Really?
makes all the
How does he look like?
biker guy.
And he's like, he wears sleeves.
On.
Oh my goodness. It's been a while since the last time we've seen Mason wear sleeves, actually.
Yeah.
Unless if he's wearing right now. Watch it.
And then once you think everything's in, just take a 10mm and just cinch it down. Does not need to be over tightened. Just hand tighten is enough. Oh, in our case, we're gonna use electronic just to do a little bit. And ta-da! Your installation is complete. Just gonna put it there. This is how it looks underneath stock.
Mm-hmm.
And this is how ours looks. All the hot air getting extracted out. We also have the circle loop for that. And so this is the most cost-effective way to keep your engine cooled, especially for the people that spare to drive their cars most of the time attack, or do track days. Easiest way to get hot air out of your car so you can keep on performing. So all the links will be in the description below. Also our orange EK giveaway card, that's also linked in below as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's get your car cooled and reliable.